We have our front door here, kind of a longer corridor. To your left is the bathroom. We have these push-out doors that are very, very nice. Then we come in here. It is a very stately bathroom, I would say. That's the word I would use. Got your very nice smart toilet bidet with this thing right there. All your settings. And blah, blah, blah. Hair dryer. And you have your things under there, I guess. We look at our amenities. Got some water in here, and these might be tissues, maybe. Fancy tissue box. Very deep tub. Your towels and such. Then your nice shower. Wooden bottoms. Nice rain shower head. Also a regular one. Same amenities. And we come in, and directly from here, we do have the nice stately closet. Everything is stately. Nice slippers. And then a shoe mitt, shoe horn, and brush. And of course, you have a couple of robes. Fire extinguisher. You gotta stay safe, y'all. And now let's move in almost to the meat and potatoes. We have a cove here, a little bit of snacks, glasses. There's ice delivery, waters, and then we have your coffee and tea. We have a mini fridge right here. Let's see if anything's in there. Yes, there is. For charge, of course. Maybe there's room to put some food in there too. Let me push that water back. And then let's see what the room's about. It's a darker feel for sure. We have twin beds here. Nice leather pleather headboard with the whale fins or whatever you call them. And then we have this for our lights and our temperature. Yes, this is a very, very nice room. You got your TV here, your desk, your leather chairs. I like this little nook for light next to this black and white painting or print. And we have a long love seat or whatever you call it. I'm about this. The front desk said something about the curtains, so I'm gonna have to figure out whatever he was talking about and then show you outside. All right, we got the curtains open and a pretty solid view, I'd say. Busy street, a bunch of apartments. And then we also have some mountains. Yeah, so this is the room.